Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 3, Lesson 24. Last time, we met one batch of irregular verbs. Today, we meet a second batch with some brand new patterns. And we'll nail down the one rule that catches almost everyone: when to use the past participle, the have, has, or had form. Let's set up the board. Every verb has three principal parts: the base form, what you do today, I throw; the past form, what happened yesterday, I threw; and the past participle, the form that follows a helping verb, I have thrown. Base, past, participle. Irregular verbs just change in surprising ways between those three, so we group them by their pattern. Here's the first pattern. The past ends in EW, and the participle ends in WN. Throw, threw, thrown. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. You'll also see blow, blew, blown, draw, drew, drawn, and fly, flew, flown. Hear that rhythm? The past gets that EW sound, then the participle adds an N. Past in EW, participle in WN. Here's a big pattern. The participle ends in EN. Write, wrote, written. Take, took, taken. Ride, rode, ridden. The same goes for eat, ate, eaten, give, gave, given, and see, saw, seen. The past form changes its own way, but the participle, the have form, picks up that EN ending. Listen for it. Written, taken, ridden, eaten. A few verbs follow no pattern at all, so you just memorize them. Go, went, gone. Run, ran, run, where the participle swings back to the base. And do, did, done. There's also cut, 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 and let, let, where all three parts stay the same. These oddballs are the ones the test loves, so lock them in. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Now the rule that ties it all together, and the mistake that catches almost everyone. After a helping verb, have, has, or had, you must use the past participle, never the plain past form. So it's I had gone, not I had went. Had went is simply wrong. The same goes everywhere. Have written, has taken, had grown. When you hear have, has, or had, reach for the participle, the EN or WN form, never the bare past. In this first set, pick the form that fits the sentence. Watch for a helping verb, have, has, or had. If you see one, the answer is the participle. If there's no helping verb, use the plain past. Pause and try each one before I answer. You have blank that movie twice already. Look for the helping verb. There it is, have. After have, you need the participle, not the plain past saw. The participle of see is seen, so the answer is seen. Marcia blank the football back to Peter. Is there a helping verb? No have, has, or had anywhere, so we use the plain past form, not the participle, thrown. The past of throw is threw, so the answer is threw. Fans had blank from many cities for the concert. There's the helping verb, had. After had, we need the participle. For come, the participle is also come, while the plain past is came. So the answer is come. 3 more. Same plan. Hunt for have, has, or had. A helping verb means the participle. No helping verb means the plain past. Pause and try each one. Linda had blank all the work herself. There's the helping verb, had. After had, reach for the participle, not the plain past, did. The participle of do is done, so the answer is done. The birds blank north when the weather turned mild. Look for a helping verb. There's no have, has, or has, so we use the plain past form, not the participle, flown. The past of fly is flew, so the answer is flew. Seth had blank the answers to every question. There's the helping verb, had. After had, we need the participle, not the plain past, knew. The participle of know is known, so the answer is known. Let's wrap up. We learned a second batch of irregular verbs by their patterns. The EW-WN group, throw, threw, thrown, and grow, grew, grown. The EN group, where the participle ends in EN. Write, wrote, written, and take, took, taken. And the oddballs like go, went, gone that you just memorize. But the rule that matters most is this. After a helping verb, have, has, or had, always use the past participle. It's had gone, never had went. When in doubt, find the helper, then use the have form. Great work!